We live in a world awash in data. Every click, every purchase, every sensor reading generates information. Like the stars in the night sky, these data points can seem overwhelming, even meaningless, without a way to make sense of them. This is where data visualization comes in, acting as our telescope, revealing the hidden patterns, trends, and insights buried within the vast sea of information. Just as astronomers use telescopes to study the cosmos, data visualization provides us with the tools to explore and understand the complex world of data. Through elegant charts, graphs, and maps, we can transform raw data into a language that is universally understood. Data visualization empowers us to grasp complex concepts, identify relationships, and communicate findings effectively. It is a powerful tool for decision-making, problem-solving, and storytelling in any field. Data visualization is the art and science of representing data graphically. It involves transforming raw data, often numerical and abstract, into visual representations that are easier for the human mind to comprehend. Imagine trying to understand the vastness of space by looking at a spreadsheet filled with numbers. It would be a daunting task. However, when we look at a Hubble image of a distant galaxy, suddenly, the universe comes alive. We see swirling clouds of gas and dust, newborn stars igniting, and the immense scale of the cosmos unfolds before our eyes. Data visualization achieves a similar effect. It allows us to see the story hidden within the data, revealing insights that might otherwise remain hidden in spreadsheets and databases. Just as a telescope needs to be properly aligned to provide a clear view of the stars, data visualization requires a precise approach to ensure that the information is conveyed effectively. Effective data visualization relies on three guiding principles: clarity, accuracy, and simplicity. These principles are the foundation upon which meaningful and impactful visual representations are built. Clarity ensures that the information being presented is easily understood by the audience. It involves making the data accessible and straightforward, so that viewers can grasp the key messages without confusion. This involves choosing the right type of visualization, whether it be a bar chart, pie chart, or line graph, to best represent the data. Using appropriate labels and annotations is crucial, as they guide the viewer through the data, highlighting important points and providing context. Avoiding unnecessary clutter helps maintain focus on the essential information. Accuracy is paramount in any scientific endeavor, and data visualization is no exception. The integrity of the data must be preserved to maintain trust and credibility. The visuals must accurately represent the underlying data, ensuring that the information is truthful and reliable. Avoiding distortions or manipulations that could mislead the viewer is essential. Misrepresentation can lead to incorrect conclusions and undermine the purpose of the visualization. Simplicity is key to effective communication. A simple and clean design helps the audience focus on the message without being distracted by extraneous elements. A cluttered or overly complex visualization can be just as confusing as raw data. Simplifying the presentation makes it easier for the audience to understand and retain the information. The goal is to present the information in a clear and concise manner, allowing the insights to speak for themselves. This way, the audience can quickly grasp the key points and take away meaningful insights. Allowing the insights to speak for themselves means that the data should be self-explanatory, with minimal need for additional explanation. By adhering to these principles, we can create visualizations that are not only visually appealing, but also informative and insightful. Collaboration and attention to detail are key in achieving this balance. We can create visualizations that are not only visually appealing but also informative and insightful. This ensures that the data is communicated effectively, making a lasting impact on the audience. Just as astronomers use different types of telescopes to study different aspects of the universe, data visualization offers a wide array of chart types, each suited to a particular purpose. Bar charts are one of the most common and versatile visualization types. They use rectangular bars to represent data, with the length of each bar corresponding to the value it represents. Bar charts are ideal for comparing different categories of data, such as sales figures for different products or the population of different countries. Line charts are used to display trends over time. They connect data points with a line, showing how a particular variable changes over a period. Line charts are commonly used to track stock prices, website traffic, or temperature changes. Scatter plots are used to show the relationship between two variables. Each data point is plotted on a graph with two axes, allowing us to see if there is a correlation between the variables. Scatter plots are often used to analyze scientific data, such as the relationship between height and weight or the distribution of galaxies in the universe. Geographic maps are used to display data that has a spatial component. They allow us to see how data is distributed geographically, such as population density, election results, or the spread of a disease. These are just a few examples of the many types of data visualizations available. The choice of which type to use depends on the specific data being analyzed and the insights we are trying to uncover. Just as a spaceship provides astronauts with the tools and technology to explore space, Tableau Desktop equips data enthusiasts with a powerful software platform for data visualization and analysis. Tableau Desktop is like the command center for data explorers. It offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of features, allowing users to connect to various data sources, create interactive visualizations, and share their findings with others. Imagine being able to transform raw data into meaningful insights with just a few clicks. Tableau Desktop makes this possible with its intuitive design and robust functionality. Some of the key features of Tableau Desktop include data connections. Connect to a wide range of data sources from spreadsheets and databases to cloud-based services. This flexibility ensures that you can work with the data you need no matter where it resides. Drag and drop interface. Easily create visualizations by dragging and dropping data fields onto the canvas. This feature simplifies the process, making it accessible even for those who are new to data analysis. Interactive dashboards. Build interactive dashboards that allow users to explore data from different angles. These dashboards can be customized to highlight the most important insights and trends. Collaboration and sharing. Share visualizations and dashboards with others, enabling collaboration and data-driven decision-making. This feature is essential for teams that need to work together to analyze and interpret data. With its intuitive design and powerful capabilities, Tableau Desktop empowers users of all skill levels to unlock the insights hidden within their data and communicate them effectively. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting out, Tableau Desktop provides the tools you need to succeed in your data exploration journey. Data visualization is more than just creating pretty charts and graphs. It's a powerful tool that transforms raw numbers into meaningful insights. It's about telling stories with data, revealing the hidden patterns and insights that can inform our understanding of the world around us. When done right, it can make complex data accessible and engaging. Just as a well-told story can captivate our imagination and leave a lasting impression, a compelling data visualization can illuminate complex issues, spark curiosity, and inspire action. It can turn dry statistics into a narrative that resonates with people on a deeper level. By transforming raw data into engaging visuals, we can bridge the gap between information and understanding, empowering ourselves and others to make more informed decisions and navigate the complexities of our data-driven world. This transformation is not just about aesthetics, it's about clarity and comprehension. In an era defined by information overload, data visualization has become an essential tool for navigating the cosmos of data and unlocking the secrets it holds. It helps us sift through the noise and focus on what truly matters. By embracing the principles of clarity, accuracy, and simplicity, and leveraging the power of tools like Tableau Desktop, we can harness the true potential of data visualization and embark on a journey of discovery, revealing the hidden wonders that lie within our data universe. These tools enable us to create visuals that are not only informative but also aesthetically pleasing, making the data more approachable and easier to understand. Ultimately, the goal of data visualization is to tell a story that resonates, to communicate insights that drive action, and to foster a deeper understanding of the world through the lens of data. It's a journey that transforms numbers into narratives and data into decisions.